Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix KB5079473 not installing on Windows 11 version 2.5H2 or 2.4H2. First, open Windows Settings, Windows Update. Click Pause Updates, wait a few seconds, and then click Resume Updates. After that, try installing the update again. If it still doesn't work, type Services in the Windows search bar and open it. Find App Readiness, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, and Windows Update. Set each service to Automatic. Click Start if it's stopped, and then restart the service. Next, run System Repair commands. Search for CMD, run Command Prompt as Administrator, and run the SFC and DISM commands one by one. After all scans are complete, restart your computer and check for updates again. You can also install the update manually. Go to the Microsoft Update Catalog, search for KB5079473, download the correct version for your Windows version and system type, and install it manually. If the update still fails, go to Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options, Recovery, then select Fix Problems using Windows Update to reinstall Windows while keeping your files and apps. As a last step, download the Windows 11 ISO using the Media Creation tool, run Setup, choose Keep Personal Files and Apps, and complete the installation. One of these methods should help you install the update successfully. Thanks for watching, and please like the video and subscribe to the channel.